My name's Derek and this is Painted Garage. Today we're going to be putting a floor pan assembly from LMC in this 65 C10. This isn't really a how-to, so don't go skipping, don't be dropping off. You might still learn stuff and you might be entertained. Just stick around and find out. Let's do that. Let's get to it. First things first, when replacing a cab floor, you have to support it. I'm using leftover, whatever size tubing that is. Then I got to cross brace it and this brace it, and you'll see. Guess we go with the back one first. You do this so it doesn't look like a giraffe on ice whenever you take the floor out. Just picture that. Somewhere in there. Why doesn't this, there we go. Are you where yours was? Did you move yours? Because I didn't move mine. I moved mine. Okay. Let's go. Let's just go for it. That's hot.
Once it's level, you can always go back and add a little dab.
Oh, I'm good. I got penetration. I done burnt the primer off. Right there. You ready? I'll hold it.
I'll hold it.
You're gonna get burned. Okay, you can let go. It ain't going nowhere. I got it. And you were worried. Whose head does this fit? I may have blown a hole through that. And that one. Open left hand. Didn't hit shit. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to do this, Dennis. I've never done a floor pan. I got all my bracing in. I did a V shape to keep it from, you know, wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, jiggle. So now I'm welding this piece of rebar in for height-wise. I didn't come up with this idea. I saw it on YouTube. Don't ask me who it was. It's brilliant. That way you know how high the back, nope, that's the front. And the back is going off of those gas tank mounts. Well, that's it for today. Not the video, just today. I was helping Dennis put some Raptor liner in his truck. That video's coming at some point. I don't know when. But I got the bracing done, which is what I wanted to get done. So tomorrow I'll come out here and actually start getting the floor out. Possibly. My dad's going to be here helping me because it's his. So, you know. There's that brace. It's touching the floor right there, just ever so slightly. So I know where to raise the floor to. See you in the morning. We're back and Dad's already started drilling out all the spot welds. Today we're going to be oil riggers. We're going to drill, drill, drill. We got 4,000 spot welds to drill out. He's already started on all these. He was more ready than I was. And I got to drill out all these spot welds that you can't really see. So let's get started. don't think mine works as well as Dad's. Could be different metal, that too. This one is a lot better. Of course, this drill also spins faster. Dang. Yeah, it was one. Spot welds galore. He's being loud. This right here, I gotta talk fast. This right here, we're cutting off. We're not cutting the spot welds off because it's part of the floor and the rocker, and they're both getting taken out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, I know. Is this the hole right here?
No, that's not the hole. It's the further up. Because this ain't all the way up. I cut along here so I could look inside here. It's got to come off anyway. There's a sandbox in here too. We can build sandcastle. Yeah.
Right, I got all the mother to the corner.
Okay.
So now we need a ratchet. Oh, look at here. I'm a penny richer. Wonder how old that penny is.
Treasure. We're taking this rocker panel off so we can see what else we need to do. I air hammered it right here. There's a lot of rust back there. He's taking those bolts off up there to see if they're. I don't really know what he's doing. I don't know why he's doing that. That had nothing to do with the rocker. We're gonna keep at it. I'll show you some more stuff that's not tedious. Now it's hammer time. It's gonna be loud. Okay. It's not like I don't have plenty of holes to fix.
We got a hole in the cab.
That's fine. You got a bunch of holes in the
We got a
cab.
hole right there. Let me see it up here and see if I can. Have we got a chisel, a hammer a little thin chisel that I can get up in here and just knock it loose and not have that go through? That'd be easier.
Sure. What do you need? Hey, you can probably slide this up under there now that you've got it open from the outside. And just kind of bump it. Because this is, or just, he does what he wants. I think this is the last part before the floor just falls out. We hope. I don't know how to do this. It's, yeah. Where are you going? Y'all are learning with me, and because I've never done this. Did I say that already? Yeah. Did you miss a spot weld there?
Evidently I did.
Hey, you missed one. Drill it out.
No, there's not one there. Hold that.
I can tell you from looking down here, there's one up there.
There's a hole right there, right where the spot weld is.
From the bottom, you missed it then. Uh-huh.
Not me.
Yeah, you. Now you're loose all the way over.
Looky there.
Now, how we get it out? I don't know.
I don't know either.
Here goes nothing. You ready?
Yeah.
Where am I hitting it at? Anywhere? Now what?
I guess. See if we can start hammering it back out again. Hand me a screwdriver. A pry bar.
This is not a screwdriver. This is a pry bar. Screwdrivers are small. Easy with the cab. Hey, it moved this time.
Did it?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on a minute. I see a problem.
What?
This rocker is welded to the floor.
What rocker is?
This rocker. Right here inside the door jamb. All the way down.
Where it's rusted all the way down?
No, like right. Come here. Come here, I'll show you. Right here. It's welded all the way down. Well, it used to be welded, but there's still, what I'm saying, there's still spot welds there. I'm gonna remove them. This is a learning experience. Voila! I told you we should have took those off first. We're learning a lot. We had to take the rocker off to get these little, the cab support, and I'm gonna have to like do something with all of this. Yeah, it's fun. There's a lot of rust in this truck. Epoxy job looks good. Can you tell we don't know what we're doing? You done yet?
Hey, it's loose. Looky there. It's loose.
It's got to go.
No, we got it right here. If we take the bottom up, then it'll fall down out of there.
No, we take it and go this way.
Do we?
Yeah, because you got to slide this up over that, I think. Stop trying to follow me.
Well, I was just looking at that. It's already poured over that lip.
Yeah, but this brace is touching the floor, so we got to take it and like tip it. Moment of truth. You are looking the wrong way. Look over here.
Hold on.
What are you hung on?
It's hung on the floor over here.
Oh, man.
You didn't do your job right here.
Well, you know, this is the company I was working with. Oh, God.
Gotta get it pried up somewhere. It's stuck over here.
I think it's stuck on the spot weld you didn't get out.
Probably. Supposed to come over and done that.
Oh, boy. Hold on. Quit it. Stop. There's a spot weld. See? Now. Now the moment of truth. Ready?
Nope.
What did you do now?
I'm over here.
With what? Oh, you were supposed to be guiding me. Which one is it?
Right there in the middle that you forgot.
Oh my God. All right, go. What are you waiting on? Oh, yeah, okay. All right, ready now? What's it hung on?
Oh, we gotta pick it up and get it off of this.
I know. That's what I was trying to do.
Oh, I'm not. I'm pushing.
Oh, you're picking the cab up. Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hey, stop. Stop what you're doing. It's still welded to the floor. Well, no.
No, it's loose on the inside. It's right there on that bracket. We're picking the cab up and moving it.
I know. There's a ladder underneath it.
Huh?
There's a ladder underneath it. So what if we just take it and like, just,
Hold on, something is not.
I know, something's, oh, a piece of wood fell off. Glad I got the ladder there.
What is this hung on over here?
That bracket. There you go.
Huh?
So there you go. We just gotta kind of like pry it up.
Oh.
No, it's loose.
Yeah, it's got to come up
Yeah.
and get over that lip.
Yeah,
So,
that's what I've been trying to do.
like that.
That's what I was trying to do.
You got to pick it up. You got to go way on up. Holy mackerel.
Ta-da! We got it all cleaned up, all bare metal, and Dad is spraying U-Pole's copper weld-through primer on it for all this metal where we're gonna weld it together. This piece on the other side is getting replaced. And right here, I'm gonna spray, don't, right on this one, we're spraying something else.
What about here?
You can spray it there. This is a PSA. The next 5 minutes, the audio is gonna kind of be crap because I'm an idiot and I didn't hook up my microphones right. So, enjoy. Golly, I'm always in a hurry. Yeah, we gotta turn this, right?
No, we just got to change sides. What's your deal? You can walk over and pick it up.
What are you doing?
I'm holding this so it don't fall. That's what I'm doing.
I see.
we gotta
yeah.
pick it up. Yeah,
You are doing great. What do you want me to do? Just stand here?
Yes.
because that has got to go in here first. So we just need to stand it straight up.
Yeah, I know.
Stand it the other way. This way up. Up, there we go.
Let's try again. Hold on a minute, I ain't got no hold hand over here.
Oh, that was much better.
It's gotta go your way. There you go.
Oh yeah,
Beautiful.
that was much better.
It ain't on my side. It would be hitting on that.
Like that.
Like so.
Yeah.
Now hold that.
Yeah. We'll
Hand me that screwdriver.
You mean this pry bar? This is not a screwdriver.
Whatever the hell y'all want to call that thing.
It is a pry bar.
Give me that pry bar.
We can get it in up there. We can.
Well, it'll go in up here. There you go, there you go. You're in.
Yeah.
All except forward.
Sweet.
It's in.
Woohoo! Easy. Not bad for a day's work.
Now we gotta push.
We might be able to set this back and then finagle all that what we need to finagle. Possible. We're clamping this in place, trying to get it figured out. I'm gonna put some bolts in it, and then we're gonna tilt it down and let it sit and see what it looks like. See if it actually fits.
One started yesterday.
You ready?
You ready, Papa?
What are you
Yeah,
doing?
I'm waiting on y'all.
Well, I was waiting on you. Oh, don't.
Hey, hey, we need to pick this up and move it over to you just a smidgen.
How about we just?
Right there. Now we can lay it back.
Got it.
Come on back.
All right, you got yours. Grab that.
You want both of them or just the 4?
Just a 4x4.
Alright, rotate.
Just set it right there.
All right, let it down.
Look at that. Look at that.
We just look at it.
Woo! Look at it.
You don't want to see something like that, I just say, just look at it.
The floor is in. And it fits not half bad. Some of the holes are a little off. But I think we could like squish
Where you be going?
the cab forward.
For the day.
What?
Just getting ready for the day.
At 2 o'clock.
That one
you
over
getting ready?
there is touching. This one is not touching, but it's pretty good. We're gonna do some measuring, and I'm gonna make sure. And loud noises.
I can't squeeze it no more.
I got it.
Get both of them in?
Yes. LMC did a pretty good job on these because these lines right here all match up. This is pretty good. I gotta fix that down there, but at least the main floor is in. Of course, it's missing the rockers. Those were in the way. We're gonna start welding the floor now, and we bought this spot welder to make it easier. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. I guess it welded it. It made noises.
Welded.
What do you mean it ain't welded?
You take the clamp off?
Yeah. Well, go get a screwdriver and see if you can stick it in the hole. It ain't gonna like pull it and... What are you looking at? I don't know what he's looking at, and I don't know if this thing works or not. It seems to be working, I think. It's hot. It makes it glow. What'd you find? Is it coming apart? Well, stick your screwdriver. It's hot, ain't it? Yeah. It was probably welded together then, I bet.
Where'd you weld at?
I didn't weld it.
I didn't think it was. Moving in here, that one.
Yeah, I can see it. I see what you're talking about now.
Welded.
I'll try again.
Well,
Okay. Try this again. Let's go with this one. I think that was too much pressure.
what did you do?
It made a dimple. But it welded it. We're learning. We never used it before. It actually welded that time, so that's better. Get in closer.
That's
Round two. And it may be just learning and pressure. Ah, I got it that time. You gotta have the right amount of pressure and the right length. It's a learning curve. Yeah.
you get it?
I'm getting the hang of it. Don't worry, I'll get it.
That worked?
Yeah, that one worked. So I'm not sure if I gotta like do it once to burn that primer off and then do it again so it's got metal all the way through, or if I just gotta hold it longer than what I'm holding it. I don't really know. It's gotta be right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Metal's getting red, isn't it?
That's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on the hole. Like it was getting red before, but it needs to be like a bigger circle. I am putting spot welds every 1/2 inch or so, 3/4 inch. I don't know. Spacing them out and not putting them where Dad tried to drill through. Just to make sure we have plenty of spot welds from this Harbor Freight thing. I still gotta weld up that hole. It's going. Okay. Focus. There's those. It's working pretty good. Better than plug weld and everything. We got the front all done. Dad's back there making noise on the back, drilling out spots. I'll show you in a second. This spot welder takes some learning to get used to it. So right here, there's a hole. I'm gonna MIG weld that hole up onto the back. Now we're on to welding these spot welds. And I don't know if y'all know this. I didn't know this. You gotta grind out the weld through primer just where you're gonna weld, and then it protects it around this. I got on a YouTube spiral and found out it's just to protect the spot weld, because if you leave it in there, it doesn't like to weld very well. So technically you're supposed to grind it out and just leave it around the weld. Didn't know that. Just like that. This is the part that sucks, because then you gotta grind all this down. Lovely. It does work a lot better when the weld through primer is not in your way. Remember, I'm a mediocre welder. I have welded worse though, so it looks decent. We'll see how good these welds are when I grind them down. You covering your eyeballs?
Yep.
Okay. Burning hairs.
Well, I mean,
So on a spot weld, you're supposed to start in the middle, is what and then just, that's why you gotta take the, oh yeah, you got that one. So you gotta start in the middle and then just work your way around, is what I've been told.
Is this thing auto shield?
No, it should be, is it dark already?
No, I can see you.
Oh, it may be auto, I don't know, you'll find out when you're looking at it.
Yeah.
Just like that. You gotta grind them down. Why? To make them look better. Some of them look okay and other ones don't look okay. There's a few in here that I'm okay with. So there's some of them that no. I mean, you ain't gotta grind the crap out. Like what I'm gonna probably do is just kind of grind them flat and then either put primer on them and leave them, or put just like glaze on them, just something to kind of make it smoother. But I'll probably grind them, then prime them with that epoxy primer, and then just leave it till I start doing other mud work. Because when you're grinding, you're going to take metal out and you may mess it up anyway. Hopefully it's stuck. Done. The floor shouldn't go anywhere now. Well, the floor's in. Dad got all these welds ground down, so I didn't have to do it. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you're entertained. If you're doing one of these and the floor's really rusted, save yourself some time. It costs more money, but buy the floor. I braced it up, took about 3 hours. Me and Dad worked on it. It took 4 hours to get the floor out and in. A few hours a day welding, 10-hour day, you could have brand new floor in here. Way better than welding patch panels. And buy one of those Harbor Freight spot welders. That saves you a lot of time. There's a learning curve, but it saves you time and you don't have to grind no welds. You know, that's a plus. Everything's a plus. Basically a day and a half, 2 days, you get a whole new floor and a 65 C10. Fantastic. Great. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back. Don't come back. Subscribe. Don't subscribe. Like. Don't do the don't like. Only the like. Yell at me in the comments, give me advice or like, hey, congratulations, you did it. Something like that. Or don't. Whatever makes you feel good. Whatever makes you feel good. Yeah, that. See you next time.